This is question number 16 from exercise 1A D2 7th edition, and the question is, a machine which manufactures ice needs to be run for 10 minutes to warm up. No, this is important. The machine runs for 10 minutes just to warm up. Now keep this thing in mind. We'll come back over here again. Now the machine takes 10 minutes to warm up before the production of ice begins. Okay, so production of ice begins after 10 minutes. Another important thing over here. So the mass in tons of ice produced is directly proportional to number of hours of production. The third important thing. What is third important thing? Directly proportional. We have a direct proportionality here in which two things, in the mass of ice produced and the number of hours of production. Now that is written over here. Mass is directly proportional to number of hours. That is, mass is directly proportional to numbers of hours of production. Now this is important in order to insert equality sign. By removing the proportionality sign, we insert a constant k. Now what is required and what is given? Now what is given is that 20 tons of ice are produced when the machine runs for half an hour. Now this line is important to find the value of k. Now using the relationship, when mass is 20 tons, the time is 0.3333 hours. Now what happened over here? Actually the time given over here is half an hour. But half an hour is basically, if you will calculate it, half hour is basically 30 minutes, and that is basically 0.5 hours. Now the machine runs for 0.5 hours, but it took 10 minutes just to warm up. There is no production in the first 10 minutes. So 10 minutes will be deducted from the half hour, mean 30 minutes. 10 minutes will be used just to warm up the machine. So you are left here with 20 minutes. That is the time for production, and 20 minutes in hours is 0.3333. Simply 20 divided by 60 will give you the time in hours. Again I am repeating that 30 minute time is the total time. However, out of this 30 minutes, 10 minutes are basically required to warm up the machine. The production time will be 20 minutes, and 20 minutes in hours will be 0.333. Now using time equal to 0.333 over here, now time is in hours, and the mass produced during this time, the mass of the ice is 20, so k will be equal to 60. 20 divided by 0.333. Now k is 60. Now what is next? What is to be obtained? Find the mass of the ice. You have to find the mass of the ice manufactured when the machine runs for 1.7 hours. No machine is running for 1.75 hours. 1.75 hours mean out of this 1.75 hours, 10 minutes is consumed in just warming up the machine. So 10 minutes will be subtracted from this 1.5 hours. You have to convert this 10 minutes in hours, and you can do so. That is 10 divided by 60. Now this will give you the time in hours against 10 minutes. Now you have to subtract this value from 1.75 hours, because 10 minutes are to be used for the warm up. So the left time will be, after warm up, you will be left with 1.583 hours. That is the time during which the production will be going on. Again using the relationship m is equal to kt. Now k is obtained, and that is 60 from here. Now k is 60 and T is 1.583. So 60 into 1.583 is equal to 95 tons. So the mass produced during 1.75 hours of running of machine will be 95 tons. So this is now complete exercise D2 exercise 1A. In the next lesson I will be solving exercise 1B. Thank you so much.